Ms. Wood's spazzy grammar, Apostrophes Part 2. Let's talk about hyphenated words. Add the apostrophe to the last word of a hyphenated word, such as in these examples. Brother-in-law, apostrophe S, money. Mother-in-law, apostrophe S, house. Father-in-law, apostrophe S, car. Something called joint possession. This is when you have two people sharing one thing. When this happens, you add apostrophe S to the last name. When two people own something together, we call this sharing, like Susan and Tom, apostrophe S, house. Mom and Dad, apostrophe S, checkbook. Grandma and Grandpa, apostrophe S, dog. Notice in each of these examples, what is possessed is singular, like it's one house, one checkbook, one dog. But if what is possessed is plural, put an apostrophe on both names, like in this example, Lucy apostrophe S and Mary apostrophe S projects. Let's talk about contractions. Use an apostrophe to show where a letter or a number is missing in a contraction. We've been doing this for a long time, so this is probably pretty easy for you. The examples are can't, don't, I'm, and in the number 06. Plurals of letters or numbers. The last rule on apostrophes is use an apostrophe to show the plural of a letter or number. Like in these examples, mind your P's, apostrophe S, and Q, apostrophe S. This is an old saying from the printing presses, when you used to use letters backwards. So, minding your P's and Q's meant be careful with your P's and your Q's and don't make a mistake. Another example, his L's look like ones. No apostrophe on possessive pronouns. Apostrophes should not be used with possessive pronouns because possessive pronouns already show possession and they don't need an apostrophe. These are words like his, her, its, my, ours, yours. These are possessive pronouns, and here are some examples. It is wrong to use an apostrophe on the word his, like in his book. Also wrong to use one with its. It apostrophe s means it is. It is actually a contraction. And wrong to use an apostrophe on yours. Let's review. There are only 3 uses for the apostrophe. To show ownership, dogs, apostrophe s, leash. Roosters, apostrophe, tails. Notice the difference, people. It's one leash, one dog. That's why you use apostrophe s. More than one tail, more than one rooster. It's plural. It already ends in s. That's when you add the apostrophe. To show where letters are missing in contractions, like can't and 06. To show plurals of letters and numbers, like L's and ones.